All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo for your business using Canva. If you haven't heard of it before, it's a completely free software where you can create a logo for your business, either if you're a business owner or an entrepreneur. This will definitely help you get started on the right foot, so let's jump into it. So the first thing you want to do is go to canva.com and then log into an account. If you don't already have one, you might need to create one with an email and password. But once you're in, you want to go to the dashboard that looks like this and go to the search bar. And what you want to do is type in logo. But here, this is very, very important because as you can see down below, you can, if you have a photography business or you have a restaurant business, you want to type in specifics in the search bar to give you the best results. So let's start with, restaurant logo since it's right there. So you can see here that they have over 20,000 Canva templates just for restaurant logos and restaurant owners, which is great because you don't have to start from scratch. So you can scroll through here, see which one pops out that would work for you and your business. And you might find yourself really liking the logo with the crown on it, and that's for Canva Pro. You need to upgrade to use those premium templates. But you can try it out for 30 days free if you just click the link in the description below. That'll bring you to Canva Pro to use for 30 days free. And once you create it, you could always cancel it before the 30 days ends, so you can get that for free. But you can also type in whatever you want in the search bar up top. So let's type in, clothing, brand, logos. And as you can see, they have over 20,000 Canva templates just for clothing brands. So you can put anything in the search bar right here and then logos, and then that should bring up, all these templates that are right up your alley. But to get even more specific, I would click See All right here. And then you can click All Filters. And then this is where you can get very, very specific on exactly what you want. And down below, you can click free as well, so it doesn't show the pro if you don't want to, sign up for the 30 days free for pro. And you can click the color, what you want, but I wouldn't really mess with the color. I would just go to some of these, like if you want modern style, click that. There's also a bunch of different options here. I'm going to do modern, free, and let's say business. And then apply. And that will bring up, modern clothing brand free templates. So you don't have to sift through a lot of stuff. And as you can see, they have a ton of options here. Look, they have over 10,000 templates just for modern free for clothing brands. So you can look through this, see what pops out to you, and then edit it from there. But I'm going to just pick one of these so I can show you how to edit it. We can go with this one right here. So you click it, click customize this template. And then you can change this to whatever you want. This is just clean. I'm just keeping it simple for the video purposes. But obviously you can mess with it. Choose a different template if you want. But let's just put like Arc Media. Clothing. And that honestly looks good as is, but you can always come to the left and add some stuff. You can design elements, text, upload photos if you want, draw anything you want. But I'm just going to keep that as is, obviously just keeping it simple for the video. But once you're done, you want to go to share up here, and then you want to go to download. I don't mess with anything. I just click download. And that'll download straight to your computer, and then you can just upload that wherever you want to upload that. But there you go, guys. That's exactly how you create a quick logo for your business, either if you're a business owner or entrepreneur. And you just download that straight to your computer for free, which is great. So you don't have to, hire somebody and pay for it. And just keeping it simple. I like the modern look. I like the simple look. But you can obviously do whatever you want. But leave a comment down below if this video helped you at all. If you have any more questions, if you want me to dive deeper in a different, video, I could obviously do that. But leave a like, give me a subscribe if this video helped you. Until next time, guys. Cheers.